Welcome to Quick Bite, your fast and friendly Florida insurance update.
Hello. My name is Roshonda, agency owner of the Isom Insurance Group, right here in the Sunshine State of Florida, with another Quick Bite episode, your fast and informative insurance industry update. Today is Tuesday, October 14th, 2025. And we're digging into a topic that's going to shape Florida's insurance market in a major way. The upcoming 2026 legislative session. Lawmakers are already talking about big changes, from how artificial intelligence is used in claims handling to new property insurance reforms and consumer protections. And trust me, what happens in Tallahassee early next year will directly impact how policies are written, how claims are paid, and how much Floridians pay for coverage. Let's dive in. Lawmakers recently held a hearing in Tallahassee focused on the use of artificial intelligence in insurance. Here's what they said. Existing laws already apply to AI. If a human adjuster can't legally deny a claim without justification, neither can a machine. Paul Martin from NAMIC summed it up best. The insurance company is always responsible, whether a decision is made by a person or by a computer. The carrier is still accountable for it. Earlier this year, lawmakers tried to pass 3 bills that would have banned insurers from using AI alone to deny claims and required human review before any denial could be final. Those bills didn't pass, but everyone expects them to come back stronger in 2026. Florida has already made one big change. Insurers must now disclose the name of the adjuster assigned to a claim and explain any changes made to a field adjuster's report. That started as an emergency rule, but now is permanent. So even though there are no brand new AI laws yet, the conversation is happening and lawmakers are preparing to act. Now, let's talk timing. The 2026 Florida legislative session begins January 13th, 2026, and runs through March 13th, 2026. But things start moving well before that. In November and December, lawmakers hold committee meetings to draft bills, debate priorities, and shape what will be voted on next year. That means the next few months are critical. This is when the real decisions happen. And it's when people in the insurance industry, from agents to carriers, should be paying close attention. Think of it like hurricane prep. You don't wait until the storm is here to board up the windows. You start getting ready now. Here's what we expect lawmakers to focus on when session begins. First, artificial intelligence and claims oversight. Lawmakers are likely to require human review before AI-driven denials, audit trails showing how AI reached this decision, and clear explanations for policyholders about how those decisions were made. The goal isn't to ban AI, it's to make sure it's being used responsibly. As one lawmaker said, we're not kicking the robots out, but they still need a supervisor. Second, property insurance rates and affordability. Homeowners are still facing high premiums. Some lawmakers are proposing caps on annual rate increases, possibly limiting them to 10 or 15%. Others want changes to reinsurance rules and solvency protections to help stabilize the market. There's also Senate Bill 108 filed just last week. It could require mediation before litigation and property claim disputes, meaning insurers and policyholders would have to try to resolve issues before heading to court. And this is a big one that can kind of help keep litigation costs down. And when litigation costs are down, it goes into the overall rate that the insurance company is charging, because if they're not spending out as much money for litigation, there's no need to charge higher premiums. Third, consumer protections and transparency. Lawmakers want clearer explanations for claims decisions, public reporting on how AI models are trained and tested, and bias audits to make sure no group is treated unfairly. And finally, regulatory oversight. Some lawmakers want to give the Office of Insurance Regulation more authority to oversee how insurers use AI, including new reporting requirements, audits, and possible pre-approval for certain tools. This might sound theoretical, but it's already happening. In 2020, insurers faced lawsuits over AI-driven claim denials in health insurance, and courts ruled that companies must still take responsibility. In 2018, a weaker La Nina still fueled Hurricane Michael, which caused about $25 billion in insured losses. The lesson is simple: small changes, whether in weather or technology, can have massive consequences. And right here in Florida, the rule requiring adjusters' names and explanations for report changes is already in place. That shows lawmakers are serious about increasing accountability. If new AI rules pass, insurers will need to log decisions, explain them, and possibly retrain staff, all of which costs money. And we all know the cost often shows up in premiums. Yes. This isn't just about technology, it's about how claims are handled and how policies are priced and how we serve our clients. Here's what you should be doing between now and January. Engage with lawmakers right now. Call, email, or meet with your representatives and share how these changes could impact clients or your business. Review your processes. If your agency or carrier uses AI tools, make sure there's human oversight and proper documentation. Educate your clients. Explain how AI could affect claims and reassure them that they still have rights and options. Watch for pre-filed bills. New proposals will start appearing in the next few weeks, and the earlier you understand them, the better prepared you'll be. Here's the big picture. AI and insurance is here, and lawmakers are paying attention. New rules around transparency, human review, and accountability are likely coming in 2026. Property insurance reforms, from rate caps to mediation requirements, will also be major topics. And now's the time to prepare, engage, and educate before these changes become law. Now, I love to hear from you. If you found today's quick bite helpful, please like this video, share with your friends, and drop a comment below with any topics you'll like for me to cover in future episodes. And remember, quick bite episodes drop Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It should not be taken as legal, tax, or specific insurance advice. Please consult with a licensed insurance professional about your unique situation. This is Roshonda with the Isom Insurance Group here in the sunny state of Florida. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at isominsurancegroup.com.